Aha guys, one of the best way to relish your chicken is actually making grilled chicken. And what you're seeing here is not turkey. This is a very big chicken. Of course, you can see how difficult it is for me to gather one and get my axe together. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to make the sauce, and here we have the pepper, we have this dark soy sauce, we have power oil. That's what we're going to use as the liquid base. We also have nutmeg, we have what else, we have onions, and we're going to toast everything into the silver crest blender, and then we're going to do the blending. Of course, you're going to see how powerful this blender is going to be, because it's going to crush everything into a puree. We're going to also put the this is what we call the suya spice. This one was also made with the help of the silver crest blender and the 3-in-1 breakfast maker. Somewhere in this video or this channel, you can see how we made the suya spice using the silver crest blender and the 3-in-1 breakfast maker. And so today we are going to toast everything into the blender, get it ready, and then we're going to marinate the chicken. This chicken is so heavy, it's a very big chicken thigh or drumstick all put together. So we're going to just insert some pot on the chicken so that the marinade go in well and the sauce will go in deeply into the chicken when we allow it to marinate for some hours in the fridge. We're just going to pour everything in here and marinate. Actually, I have a hand glue, but I did not see it readily, so I am going to improvise, because in this country we improvise a lot. The reason that you've not seen something to do doesn't mean you can't continue what you want to do. So we're just going to use nylon to make sure we improvise and marinate the chicken very well, because I mean, if you use your hand to marinate this thing, you are going to get a whole lot of slap that thing, because your hand is going to be very hot as a result of pepper. So we're going to use our free hand with the nylon to marinate everything, get the chicken well sauce down. I want to put it in the fridge for a period of 4 hours so that everything is going to marinate properly, so that the chicken is going to be very tasty when we're done. So after marinating, we're just going to toast everything into the fridge. This leaf you see is scent leaf. We're just doing that, it's optional, just for then again, this blender is self-cleaning, so you can just put in water and your liquid soup, and then just on to pause, and then the blender is self-cleaning. So you see, you don't even have to stress yourself. I'm going to show you the effect of this blender self-cleaning itself. So now this is the soup. We're going to pause, and voila! What are you going to see? A blender that is self-cleans. So you don't have to stress yourself after everything, go and wash with the sponge and all that. You just have to put in your soup and then pause, and then the blender will be self-clean. Look at, nothing is inside. All you need to do is just to rinse and then throw off the water, and silver crest is well clean up. So if you need a silver crest blender, you can always reach out to us on a number that you're going to see on the screen. So back to our chicken after some hours inside the fridge. We brought it out, and then we're going to do some kind of improvisation again, just to make sure that this chicken is inside this 3-in-1 breakfast maker. Before it starts, we need to preheat the oven part of the 3-in-1 breakfast maker so that we can toast in the chicken and allow it to heat up. We're going to set the timer to 45 seconds, and then the temperature to 180 degrees. Okay, you can increase the temperature no matter anyhow you want to do it, but we're going to use 180 degrees to roast or marinate the whole chicken. So I'm trying to do this so that the sauce will not pour down on the iron rods where the heat are coming from. So I'm just trying to find a way to make sure I'm going to place the chicken, and then the sauces from the chicken will not litter the whole 3-in-1 breakfast maker, because I don't want to spend too much time cleaning the device when I'm done. By doing this, it's going to be easier for me to clean up everything, and after relishing my chicken, I will be the happiest here on earth. So just stay tuned, watch out how we're going to do everything, and I assure you this is going to be the best grilled chicken video you've ever watched. If you follow all the principles, all the tactics we're using here, this is so gonna be sumptuous. It's going to be very delicious. Trust me, you're gonna enjoy this grilled chicken if you just follow all the procedure we used here, and then you're gonna see how well it's going to come out. So just stay tuned, watch, and if this is a content you enjoy, please hit the subscribe button. Also, like this video. If you like this video will be shown to a whole lot of people. They can also benefit from making grilled chicken. Even as a bachelor, you don't need to own an oven before you can make grilled chicken. Students, bachelors, they can benefit from having a device like this. If this is also a device you would want to get, please hit us up. We can pre-order them for you and they will be with you in little or no time. 3-in-1 breakfast maker can do a whole lot. Like now you're seeing it making grilled chicken. You can also make sausages on the top of this 3-in-1 breakfast maker. You can also make coffee with a 3-in-1 breakfast maker. This is a very multifunctional device. Now look at how our chicken is doing. After some hours, everything is looking so nice. Have you seen why I improvised with that foil paper? So that the chicken sauce will not pour down on the heating rod, so you can see. Now after some hours, like 45 minutes, I'm going to flip the chicken over so that the other side of the chicken will also heat it up. That is the process I'm going to try to do right now. So I'm not supposed to teach you how to do this, but we're going to use your discretion a whole lot. The principle is that 180 degrees Celsius, you can get up to 230 degrees Celsius, it's fine, it's just going to still do a job for you. But the principle is that you're going to flip and then allow for even heat distribution while you are grilling your chicken. So everything you're seeing here is just me trying to improvise. You can always find a way to do it whichever way suits you. And if you're using a very big oven, of course you're going to have a lot of space for you to handle everything. But because we're having a small space in this 3-in-1 breakfast maker, we're just trying to show you how to still get the best grilled chicken using the 3-in-1 breakfast maker. So look at how nice this chicken is looking. God, I want to be a baller. This is nice. Everything coming out so freaking well. And I'm going to enjoy this grilled chicken with a bottle of this Prado. That's my brand of beer, okay? It's like a tequila beer over here in this country. So I'm going to just enjoy it, and then I'm gonna have a very great day with my dinner. So guys, isn't this lovely? If it is, let us see in the comment section what do you think we would have done better, or if we even did better. Let us see in the comment section, and let us also know where you're watching this content from. From Nigeria, this is where we're shooting the content. Which country are you watching this video from? You can get all these ingredients over here. This is just so nice. You don't need to do much. What we do is we do this grilled chicken. We use onions, we use pepper, we use knock cube Maggie, we use ginger, don't forget your ginger, we use the soya spice, and of course, if again we use the onga seasoning. Okay, so you can also use seasoning of your choice, whichever country you are watching from. So it's also optional, but it's very nice if you can include spring onions. Spring onions has its own kind of special flavor. So if you can include spring onions, it's going to be very fine. It's going to be very tasty. Now our grilled chicken is ready. We're going to take it off 3-in-1 breakfast maker and put it in this 3-in-1 fine plate that you see here. And then we are going to begin to enjoy our grilled chicken. My name is Joshua Victor Emmanuel, and this is what we do on this channel. In this channel, we also show you how to use kitchen gadgets to accomplish a whole lot of things. Life is supposed to be easy. For instance, in this channel, we show you how to use a pressure pot to cook a lot of delicacy, reducing cooking time and also making your job in the kitchen easier. We also show you how to use the food processor to make a lot of recipe, pounded yam, shredding of your vegetables, and a whole lot of them. So this channel is jam-packed with information, ideas that you can put into good use as a wife, mother, sister, brother, uncle, son. Everybody can make everything possible with all the devices we show you here. This is what this channel does. This channel does a lot. You should be living on this channel. See you!